Your liver works every second to keep you alive, and yet most people forget it even exists. Today, let's quickly explore 8 powerful superfoods that can clean and revive your liver in just days. Ready? Let's begin. Your liver is like a silent warrior. It works non-stop day and night, filtering out toxins from the air you breathe, the food you eat, and even the chemicals you touch. It breaks down fats, converts nutrients, manages hormones, and helps your immune system stay strong. But here's the frightening part. Liver damage often happens quietly. You don't feel pain or see clear signs until it's too late. By that time, you might already be facing fatty liver disease, insulin resistance, constant tiredness, itchy skin, or even brain fog that makes it hard to focus. And did you know, according to the World Health Organization, liver diseases kill over 2 million people every year worldwide? Even more shocking, 1 in 4 people now has non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, and it's appearing in younger and younger people. Poor diets, environmental toxins, and a lifestyle without movement are to blame for most of it. But here's the good news. Your liver is strong and resilient. It can regenerate itself if you support it with the right foods. That's why today I'll show you 8 scientifically proven superfoods that detox your liver fast. Let's start with artichokes. You've probably walked past them at the grocery store without giving them much thought. But these spiky green vegetables are packed with 2 powerful natural compounds, cynarin and silymarin. Cynarin increases bile production, which helps your body break down fats and flush out toxins from your digestive system. Imagine your liver as a filter that clogs up with dirt. Cynarin acts like hot water, washing away the gunk so it can keep working properly. But artichokes don't stop there. They also contain silymarin, a compound that protects liver cells and helps them regenerate. It reduces oxidative stress, which is damage caused by free radicals attacking your cells every day. Studies show artichoke leaf extract can lower liver enzyme levels, like ALT and AST. Both are markers of liver dysfunction. That means it's not just detoxifying your liver, it's also healing it. Plus, artichokes help lower cholesterol and support your gallbladder, making them an all-around liver-friendly food. To enjoy them, steam or roast them as a side dish, drink artichoke leaf tea, or take an extract if you prefer a concentrated dose. But if you have gallstones or a blocked bile duct, avoid them as the increased bile flow could cause discomfort. Next is dandelion root. You probably think of dandelions as annoying weeds on your lawn, but their roots are powerful liver supporters. Dandelion root acts as a natural diuretic and hepatic tonic. It helps your liver work more efficiently while also removing excess fluids from your body. It contains compounds like taraxacin and chicoraic acid that boost liver enzyme activity and increase bile flow. This helps your liver break down fats and remove toxins with less effort. Studies have shown that dandelion extract improves liver function markers such as AST and ALT. It also increases antioxidant activity, protecting your liver cells from oxidative stress that can build up over time. People with sluggish digestion, water retention, or mild fatty liver can especially benefit from dandelion root. You can easily enjoy dandelion root tea by steeping dried roots in hot water for around 15 minutes. If you prefer a stronger option, you can try dandelion tinctures. However, people allergic to ragweed or related plants should be cautious, as dandelion can trigger allergies. Also, because it acts as a diuretic, remember to drink enough water while using it to stay hydrated. Moving on to grapefruit, particularly red and pink varieties. Grapefruit isn't just refreshing and tangy, it's packed with 2 flavonoids called naringenin and naringin, which help activate liver detox enzymes, especially CYP450, responsible for breaking down toxins and waste. Naringenin, in particular, reduces liver fat accumulation and oxidative stress. Grapefruit also lowers inflammation in the liver and protects liver cells from damage. Animal studies have shown that naringenin can significantly reduce liver fat and improve metabolism, making grapefruit an ideal food for preventing or managing fatty liver disease. Try eating half a fresh grapefruit or drinking a small glass of its juice daily. For the best results, have it in the morning on an empty stomach. But there's a warning. Grapefruit interacts with certain medications like statins or blood pressure drugs. So, if you're on prescription meds, check with your doctor before adding grapefruit to your diet. Next up is seaweed, especially brown seaweed such as wakame and kelp. Seaweed is a true powerhouse for liver health. It contains fucoxanthin, alginate, and iodine. Fucoxanthin reduces liver fat and improves insulin sensitivity, which is great if you're managing fatty liver disease or insulin resistance. It also lowers oxidative stress, protecting liver cells from damage. Alginate, a soluble fiber found in seaweed, helps bind toxins so they can be flushed out by your liver and kidneys. Seaweed acts as a natural chelator, meaning it binds heavy metals like mercury and environmental toxins, removing them safely from your body. Regular consumption of seaweed also improves cholesterol levels and protects liver tissue from inflammation and damage. You can easily add seaweed to your diet by sprinkling dried flakes on salads, adding them to soups, or blending them into smoothies. However, because seaweed is high in iodine, people with thyroid issues should be careful with their intake. Moderation is key to enjoying its benefits without risking thyroid imbalance. Next are blueberries, small but incredibly powerful. These little berries are packed with anthocyanins, which protect liver cells and reduce inflammation. They neutralize free radicals that cause oxidative stress, helping to prevent damage to liver tissue. Animal studies show blueberry extract improves liver structure and reduces fibrosis markers, suggesting it could protect the liver from long-term damage. Blueberries also activate liver detox enzymes, helping your body break down and eliminate toxins more efficiently. Plus, they may help prevent fat buildup in the liver, crucial for avoiding fatty liver disease. Adding blueberries to your diet is simple. Eat a handful of fresh or frozen blueberries daily, mix them into your smoothies, or sprinkle them over oatmeal. They're low in sugar and high in fiber, making them ideal for people managing blood sugar or trying to maintain a healthy weight. Next is mustard greens. These bitter leafy greens are rich in glucosinolates, which convert into isothiocyanates, compounds that activate liver detox enzymes, particularly in Phase 2 detox, where the liver neutralizes and eliminates toxins. Mustard greens also boost bile production, reduce inflammation, and protect against fibrosis, which is scar tissue buildup from liver damage. Studies show that diets rich in bitter greens like mustard greens improve liver enzyme efficiency and enhance your body's detox processes. You can sauté them with a splash of apple cider vinegar or blend them into green juices for a powerful detox boost. However, if you have thyroid problems, it's best to cook mustard greens to reduce goitrogens, which can interfere with thyroid function. Seventh on the list are chia seeds. Tiny but mighty, chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids, soluble fiber, and antioxidants. The fiber binds to bile acids and cholesterol, helping your liver eliminate waste more effectively while supporting fat metabolism. This makes chia seeds especially helpful if you have fatty liver disease. They also reduce chronic inflammation, a common factor in liver diseases. Research shows that adding chia seeds to your diet can improve triglyceride levels and reduce liver fat. To enjoy chia seeds, soak 1 tablespoon in water or almond milk overnight for a pudding, or toss them into smoothies. They expand in your gut, so drink plenty of water to avoid digestive discomfort. Finally, pumpkin seeds. These small green seeds are packed with zinc, magnesium, and phytosterols. Zinc helps your liver process alcohol and regulates inflammation, while magnesium is involved in over 300 detoxification processes in your body. Pumpkin seeds also help remove heavy metals like copper and lead, supporting your liver's natural detox pathways. Studies show that zinc supplementation can reduce fibrosis in people with chronic liver disease. To benefit, eat 2 tablespoons of roasted pumpkin seeds a few times per week. Sprinkle them on salads, blend into smoothies, or eat as a snack. Pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges to improve zinc absorption. In conclusion, supporting your liver doesn't require extreme detox programs or expensive supplements. Consistent daily support with real whole foods is the key. Rotate these 8 superfoods into your meals each week. Start your day with dandelion tea, add chia seeds to breakfast, include mustard greens or artichokes in your lunch, snack on pumpkin seeds or blueberries, and enjoy a seaweed salad or grapefruit before dinner. Here's your simple challenge. For the next 7 days, include at least 4 of these liver-supporting superfoods each day. Brew dandelion tea in the morning, blend blueberries into your smoothie, have seaweed as an afternoon snack, and roast artichokes for dinner. See how your energy, digestion, and skin improve, and small changes truly add up. Thank you for watching. Remember, your liver works silently to keep you alive. Show it some love, and it will take care of you for years to come.